2 digits. One. Number 11, you are winner of Suzuki Shirts.
Number 283. Come up on stage. Dahil nagbibigay nila kay Daddy.
And for our third winner, we have 17. 17. Please come up on stage.
For our fourth winner, number 106. 106. And for our last winner, to get our Suzuki shirt, number 393. Hurry up, vendors, because your Suzuki shirts are waiting for you. Congratulations and put your big smile. Thank you so much.
Congratulations to our
Thank you.
Now for our next raffle, we have solo package from Academy and we have one winner only.
This will get you 100% off when you go to Academy Studio. Wala kayong babayaran.
So it is totally free, guys.
Who is the lucky winner for
our only lucky winner for this raffle is 261.
May sumigaw doon. Ayun na nga. Sino ang 261? Ay, kilala ko to. May jowa ko. Kaya naman, sa kayang jowa, punta na kayo sa Academy Studio.
So this voucher is, pag ginamit ng voucher is totally free na talaga siya kasi 100%. So, sulit.
Hello, sir. Sino po ang jowa niyo? Even now, let's love. Char. Please put a big smile. Thank you so much.
For our next lucky winner is for shirt Mitsubishi. We have one lucky winner. So our winner for Mitsubishi is 302.
Good luck to go now. 302. Ito na ata. Sa ating issue kay ROTC, yun ang nanalo. 302. Bigyan na si Sir. Sir, naman issue kay ROTC.
And also, good news na naman tayo another winner, hindi lang pala isa. Jennifer, sino nga ba yan?
Number 294. 294! Ayan si ate girl. Come on on stage.
And next winner is 204. 204. Please come up on stage.
Number 289. 289. And for our last winner, to get our Mitsubishi, number 379. 379. Are you happy? Tuwang-tuwa. For our Mitsubishi, thank you so much. Ayan, si Kuya parang medyo sasabihin. Kuya, what's your name? Bakit ako gumano ng talaga eh? Kasama mo. Okay, please go to the next
Pero marami pa tayong raffle guys, so please bear with us kasi meron pa tayo.
And for our next draw, we have Neck Vino para sa mga Anjukin at gustong matulog ng maligpit. We have our first ticket number 337. Get your neck Vino.
And for our second lucky winner, we have 299. 299. Please come up on stage.
Ayun, si Ate Earth. Her color pink.
And for our last lucky winner, we have 396. 396. Please come up on stage.
Again, 299, 337, and 396. Where are you guys?
Kasama yung
396, where are you? Because if you are not here, in 5, 4, 3,
Yun! Hindi na
and there she is. Congratulations! Thank you so much.
Congratulations, Charlie. Next naman dyan naman ang ating gamo. Next is we have the Diego Flower and we have 3 lucky winners. 5 lucky winners, rather. So for our first lucky winner, we have 126. 126. And for our second lucky winner, we have 317. 317. And for our third lucky winner, we have 159. 159. For our fourth lucky winner, we have 1010. Number 10. For our last lucky winner of the Yellow Planner, we have 138. 138.
Again, come up on stage. Number 159. 159. Number 010. 010. For our third winner, 126. 126. For our fourth winner, 317. 317. And our last ticket number, 138. 138.
tuwa.
Please, come up on stage and ano kami dito. Marami rin pa ito mga market vendors, no? And for our lucky for Bellator, we have 3 lucky winners. Mamaya na yung video ko guys, paano natin yan? Surprise. Yeah, Belgium, we have 3 lucky winners. For our first winner, we have 183. 183, please come up on stage. And for our second lucky winner, we have 239. 239. And for our last lucky winner of Belgature is 373. 373. So please come up 373, 239, and 183. Congratulations.
For your information, winners, may mga discount po nakalagay dito sa ating vlogger.
Yes.
May discount from Serenity
Oh.
and other branches. How is it, Kuya? May gusto ko bang sabihin, Mr. Vara?
What's up, classmates?
Thank you so much and congratulations. Please put your big smile to our program. Thank you so much. And here,
And
are you waiting for?
Yes, na.
Never goes home with me, Dom!
Meet Dogon never goes solo.